Hello everyone, it's a custom made fabric neck piece. One of our customers got this for Navratri. You can customize yours in any size, any color. It's traditional, eco-friendly and super stylish. Perfect to pair with a plain saree or even your favorite Indo-western look. And the best part, it's handcrafted with all the love and creativity. Whether it's this fish design or anything else, we can make it just for you. Prices are super affordable and you're getting real value for the work. So don't wait, just grab yours now.